Okay, welcome back to our YouTube channel and our Australia series. So for this one we are going to the Green Island. So we're going over to Marlin Wharf again and catching a catamaran that will take us about an hour's sailing over to Green Island. We'll be snorkeling for the day, similar to what we did when we went to the Great Barrier Reef. However, we're hoping and holding out to see some sea turtles this time, as apparently they're renowned for going and nibbling on the grass that surrounds the island, so fingers crossed.
Green Island was once a coral debris that formed a sandscape. It grew vegetation, attracting wildlife, and over generations formed into the island it is today. It was also the first island in the Great Barrier Reef that was used for trading.
When we arrived at the island, we decided to snorkel straight away as this was high tide. During low tide it is very difficult to snorkel as the sea isn't very deep around the island.
The largest threat to the Great Barrier Reef is the crown of thorn species. They feed on large areas of coral, resulting in destruction of reefs. In 1962, a doctor found the first outbreak of crown of thorns at Green Island.
The first boat tour to Green Island was in 1890, with glass bottom boat tours later setting sail around the island in 1948.
We're all done for the day. We've just done our safari snorkel, or jungle snorkel, as
So I
George
kept calling it.
likes to call it. There was a shark that we missed.
A black-tipped reef shark.
There was a sea turtle that we missed. We did get to see lots of different fish and all the gorgeous different coloured coral. The colour of the coral isn't as bright as the photos that you see of the Great Barrier Reef, and it's just because the water soaks up colour in essence.
On the spectrum you lose, red is the first to go, so the reds aren't as bright, they start to look a brown in colour. So the blues and things do look very vibrant, but yeah, the reds you kind of lose in the sea.
But you can still see so many colours and all the different coloured fish, and it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, we were fortunate enough to see a sea turtle as we were getting off the boat and on the jetty. Saw it come up for some air. We were promised that, as one of the crew did say that they don't leave till they see sea turtle. There's so much seagrass here, they're prone to coming and having a graze on it. Yeah, we weren't fortunate enough to get the sea turtle on camera as it moved too quickly, but yeah, it was an experience nonetheless.
It was really big, and it was on the surface, but there was a few swimmers following it. As soon as we saw it, it did a dive. So we just managed to get a good glimpse of it. But yeah, no, we didn't manage to get a video, unfortunately. So sorry, guys. We are done for the day now. We're gonna head back to the boat.
Just in the background.
You can see it. There we go. We're gonna head back to the boat. We'll sail back home. It's going to take about an hour and 20 to get back to Cairns City. That's us all done. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again very soon for the next one.
Bye!
We definitely recommend visiting Green Island if you're planning a trip to Cairns. It's also worth knowing that your ticket on these tours contributes towards further research, maintenance and protection of the island, as well as the amazing experience you get seeing such a beautiful place.